Looking for a reliable fast charger that keeps up with your iPhone 15, 16, or 17? The DreemTeam Apple MFi Certified 20W USB-C charger with a 10-foot cable delivers rapid, safe charging exactly when you need it. Imagine powering your phone from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes, no more waiting around. I've tested this 3-pack charger set with my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it's impressive how quickly it revives the battery. The built-in smart chips adjust the power output automatically, so your device charges efficiently without overheating or overcharging. It's peace of mind combined with speed. The 10-foot USB-C to USB-C cable is a game changer. Whether you're working from a café, lounging on your sofa, or charging in your car, this extra length means you're not tethered close to the outlet. It's about freedom and convenience. Charge comfortably wherever you are. What stands out is the wide compatibility. This charger works seamlessly not just with iPhone 15, 16, and 17 models, but also with iPads like the 11-inch Pro, iPad Air, and even AirPods Pro, 2nd generation. One set covers all your Apple devices and other USB-C gadgets too. Safety is another big plus. The charger includes multiple protections against overvoltage, overheating, and overcharging. That means your devices get fast charging without risking damage. It's a smart investment if you want reliable power that lasts. Inside the package, you get 3 20W USB-C charger blocks and 3 10-foot USB-C cables, all in sleek white. This setup is perfect for home, office, or travel, so you always have a fast charger ready wherever you go. If you want dependable speed and flexibility, this kit is worth a look. If you're tired of slow charging or short cables that limit where you can plug in, this AppleMFi Certified Fast Charger Set is designed to solve those problems. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience and keep your devices powered efficiently throughout the day.